Hi everyone, this is Rainy from DoraHacks. Welcome to our Austin Web3 Hackathon Project Demo Session 1. DoraHacks is a decentralized global hackers community and organizer focusing on blockchain development. We have hosted more than 100 hackathons online and offline for the past 6 years in different countries. On May 16 this year, we hosted an in-person hackathon in Austin, Texas. Here, we got to meet a lot of great projects and got to know the people behind all these brilliant ideas. So we decided to invite a few of the best projects from the Austin Hackathon here live for more people to know. Before I introduce today's projects, we would like to remind you to please follow our social media channels and don't forget to click like if you enjoy our videos. Also, we'll be hosting another hackathon, the US Summer Crypto Hackathon 2021 soon. Please stay tuned on our Twitter @DoraHacks for more updates. Today, we have MaDao from Yin.Finance to demonstrate his project to us. Yin.Finance is a diversified liquidity optimization platform focusing on facilitating and optimizing the flow and use of liquidity within the existing chaotic DeFi landscape. Without further ado, let's pass the time to MaDao. Hi MaDao, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. So, can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, let's start it. Hi, hackers. Today, I want to present is Yin.Finance, a diversified liquidity optimizational platform. So, let's begin. What we need in decentralized platform for liquidity management. Here is 3 answers. The first one, it must be active liquidity management. In Yin, user could choose to subscribe from various chi that are available through their personal smart wallet. The second one is automatically reinvest. In Uniswap V3, users need to manually collect fees and do the reinvest. Yin will automatically do the reinvest for you. The last one is multi-party yield mining. Yin will audit third-party protocol about their reliability and security, allow you can attain multiple benefits. So let's talk about market opportunity. In Uniswap V3, the 7 days volume is about 9 billion, and the top 15 pairs 7 days fee is about 22 million. Currently, Uniswap V3 TVL is about 1.7 billion. There is a huge number and many opportunity. But there is an important thing you should notice. Not just Uniswap. We're not just a diverse service for Uniswap. We are always researching and preparing to deploy onto the next blockchain that support price range liquidity. So for example, Solana or Polygon, once they support price range liquidity, well, we will deploy on it as soon as possible. And let's back to Yin. Strategies through financial NFTs. In Uniswap V2, users just will stand the interest on price capture. And in Uniswap V3, liquidity providers are facing a new challenge: how to maximize their profit. Yin.Finance give a solution. Its strategies through a financial NFT are introduced to offer mainstream users with optimal operating experience and strategies. So what is Yin? Yin.Finance aims to facilitate the flow and use the liquidity with its best optimization within the current chaos DeFi landscape. And let's go deep in there about Yin's modules. Yins have consists of 4 modules. Yin is an ERC20 token. Yang is your personal NFT vault. Qi are programmable liquidity smart contract. Each exists as NFT. Grandmaster are leverage liquidity pools. Users can add leverage to their liquidity. And how does Yin work? Let's talk about Yang. Yang is your personal NFT smart vault. All subsequent asset management action and processes will perform from your Yang smart vault, thus retaining custody of assets, and it actively ensures funds security. And Qi are programmable liquidity smart contract. Each exists as NFT. We can decide the LP formula from each you can build upon. We will also provide audited external yield mining project for you to access. So let's see this graph and learn about the yin-yang system. Yang is your assets, and you subscribe Qi, which is a liquidity management strategy, and we will build liquidity in Uniswap or some other DEX. And we use the LP to mining from other external yield mining protocol. In the end, you will gain liquidity fees and the farming reward and the community reward, which is in. That is the system work. And why do you need in? The ever-changing market conditions mean that users need to constantly adjust to different price interval combined in order to maximize profits. Yin reduce the need for users to manage active and reduce refractional costs. Yin does not only have a strategy team, that's important, but also we expect to specializing in the smart contract audit, as well as risk hedging strategies. Those allow you to safely place your fund in the third-party protocol mining. So why do you need Yin? There is an important feature is liquidity leverage pool. User can borrow more assets from the liquidity leverage pool for liquidity management in order to pursue exist multi-party benefit. Here's how this works. We call it Grandmaster mode. What's different to our normal yin-yang system? We have a provider, which is provide access to our leverage pools. And there's a new character we call lender. They lend from this pool and get like multiple get more assets, which can get more LP and get more reward from the external yield mining protocol. That's it. And about the use cases, the first one, obviously, is the active liquidity management. The second one is strategy profit. Experienced and skilled market maker and developer could attract liquidity by creating high yield strategy. And that is funny one. If your liquidity big enough, basically you control the price in DEX. More liquidity also further ensure price consolidations. We can think of it as a shorting variety. So about the phase. Currently is our initial phase. We're doing the team hedging. Initially only provide strategies from the official platform. And the next one will be our development team phase. It will be an open platform, allow DeFiers, KOLs, and DAOs to create their own strategies and share the profits. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah. So since we still have a lot of time, and can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
So may I ask, like, how was the hackathon in Austin to you?
It's provide a very good platform and opportunity to let us to share this project for the for more people. It's very important for us. Yeah.
I see. So what is the next step plan for the Yin.Finance?
Yeah, we will do the alpha test in next week, and we will do the official launch. I guess it will be July, since the market is not unpredictable currently.
I see. Well, it sounds really exciting that it's gonna be officially launched soon. So, do you mind to introduce a little bit of your team? Like, how many team members you have and who they are, and
Yeah. Currently, to me, my name is MaDao. I'm a DeFi already whole year, and there we have two engineers currently. The one in Taiwan, and we call it Dijon guy, aka Dijon guy, and the second one is anonymous one is currently in Shanghai. Yeah.
I see. Cool. Would you want to elaborate more on how does Yin.Finance, the program behind or the coding behind Yin.Finance, they make it stand out and really can provide an optimization for this?
I think it's we will do the active liquidity management, and we can back to the picture in there. You can see here is a picture about a 3 line, right? The green one is the Uniswap V2. We can see the asset value is asset value curve is like that, right? But the purple one is a wide range for stable coins. Or once the price is in range, you can see the asset value is always higher than the green one. That means when the price range is right, your asset value will go way higher than Uniswap V2. And the blue one, you can see the price range is very narrow, and the APR is very, very high for a stable coin. It's going to 50%, which is sky high for a stable coin reward. So different strategy, different price range, make your different transaction fee income. That is why Yin.Finance exists. We can provide different strategy for users and to make better profit for our users.
I see. Thank you so much for elaborating again. It really helped us to understand more on how it works and how it can really benefit the market with this problem, solving the problem on this issue. So I guess that's all for my question. So thank you, MaDao. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time today. I hope you learned something from Yin.Finance today. I'm sorry, do you have anything to add on? Okay, sorry. Maybe I heard something wrong. So thank you, everyone, for watching our channels. So we will have a few more sessions in the next couple of days. So stay tuned.
Thank you.
Thank you.